Ever wondered where your paycheck disappears to before the month ends? You're not alone. Globally, 78% of people live paycheck to paycheck, according to a 2023 survey by CareerBuilder. Breaking free from financial struggle starts with recognizing the habits that drain your wallet. Here are 7 common money-wasting habits that keep you broke, and how to kick them for good. 1. Impulse buying, the silent budget killer. Picture this. You're scrolling online and a shiny gadget catches your eye. Next thing you know, your cart's full and your bank account's crying. Impulse buying is a trap. 70% of Americans admit to making unplanned purchases, per a 2024 Slick Deal study. These spur-of-the-moment decisions add up, often fueled by slick marketing or stress-induced retail therapy. Create a 24-hour rule. If you want something non-essential, wait a day before buying. Chances are the urge will fade. Also, unsubscribe from tempting retailer emails to reduce triggers. 2. Subscription overload, death by 1,000 cuts. Streaming services, gym memberships, meal kits. Subscriptions are sneaky vampires sucking your funds dry. The average person spends $219 monthly on subscriptions, according to a 2022 C+R research report. And many forget what they're even paying for. That's over $2,600 a year. Audit your subscriptions. Cancel anything you haven't used in the last 3 months. Use tools like Rocket Money to track recurring charges. Stick to 1 or 2 services you actually use. Your wallet will thank you. 3. Eating out excessively, the pricey convenience. Love grabbing takeout or dining at trendy spots? You're not alone. 60% of millennials eat out at least once a week, per a 2023 Food Institute report. But those $15 lunches and $30 dinners add up fast. A single meal out can cost as much as a week's worth of home-cooked groceries. Plan meals and cook in batches. Prep a few dinners on Sunday to curb the temptation to order in. If you crave dining out, set a monthly treat budget, say $50, and stick to it. 4. Ignoring small expenses, the latte lie. That daily $5 coffee might seem harmless, but small expenses snowball. Spending $5 a day on coffee or snacks adds up to $1,825 a year. A 2024 Bankrate survey found 68% of people underestimate how much these micro-purchases impact their savings. Track every penny for a month using apps like Mint or YNAB. Seeing where your money goes is eye-opening. Brew coffee at home or pack snacks to cut costs without sacrificing joy. 5. Living beyond your means, the status trap. Keeping up with the Joneses or the influencers is a surefire way to stay broke. Social media fuels the urge to splurge on designer clothes or fancy vacations. A 2022 Lending Tree study revealed 40% of Gen Zers have gone into debt to appear wealthier online. Yikes! Focus on your financial goals, not your feed. Create a budget that prioritizes savings and debt repayment. If you're tempted by a big purchase, ask, will this matter in 5 years? Spoiler, that $200 hoodie probably won't. 6. Neglecting debt, the interest avalanche. High-interest debt like credit card balances is a financial anchor. The average U.S. household carries $7,951 in credit card debt, with APRs often exceeding 20% per a 2025 Federal Reserve report. Ignoring it only makes the hole deeper. Tackle debt with the snowball or avalanche method. Snowball. Pay off smallest debts first for quick wins. Avalanche. Prioritize high-interest debts to save on interest. Either way, pay more than the minimum to make progress. 7. No savings plan. Living on the edge. What's scarier than a horror movie? Having no savings when life throws a curveball. A 2024 Gallup poll found 26% of people worldwide have no emergency savings. Without a cushion, car repairs or medical bills can spiral into debt. Start small, save $10 a week. Automate transfers to a high-yield savings account. Some offer 4 to 5% interest. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Even $500 can be a game changer for unexpected costs. Break the cycle, build wealth. These habits aren't just annoying, they're stealing your financial freedom. The good news, small changes can lead to big results. Imagine redirecting that $2,600 from subscriptions or $1,825 from coffee into investments. At a 7% annual return, that's over $30,000 in 10 years. Per compound interest calculations? Ready to stop being broke? Start with one habit, crush it, and watch your bank account grow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.